So there are many different ways to braid a challah. So I'm going to demonstrate a few of them. I like to use the knife to cut the dough rather than just tearing it apart. Sometimes I'll weigh them to make sure that they're right, but usually I just sort of like do the hand test. Speaking, the braid in general represents unity and togetherness, and look, it's beautiful. We need we're going to put a little bit of flour on the table. Okay, y'all know how to braid hair? Yes. So this is going to be a 4-strand challah. Same process.
Is there
in Hebrew? Yeah. The Hebrew word tzitzit, which are the fringes that are on the prayer shawl. You start with the right. You go over, under, over. Right? And you go over, under, over. Over, under, over, over, under, over, over, under, over, over, under, over. Smush it together, walk it back. All right, there we go. So this is the 5-strand challah. Okay, again, you're just going to sort of pinch these 5 together.
Oh, now you've got 6?
5. These are 5. You're going to start with 2 on the left and 3 on the right. You're always going to go from the outside to the middle. All right, so right, left, right, left, right, left. You'll see it almost looks like a herringbone. So you're always going from the outside into the middle. Get to the end, we pinch it, we walk it back. Now, here's something, if you have a special occasion, something that you can do with this. I'm not going to do it, but I'll show you what you can do. Take a rolling pin and sort of make an impression in the middle and lay a thin 3-strand braid on top of it. And it makes just a really beautiful, very special, like for a holiday or, for a wedding or something, or bar bat mitzvah, just something a little extra. So I'm just going to do a light spray over the challah so that the plastic doesn't stick to it. And we're going to put the plastic wrap over as it rises the second time. At home, I might instead just use a dish towel. Yeah.